Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In this week tutorial, I want to share with you how you can change or replace the favicon that's appearing on Google just beside your website URL. So if you want to change this logo that's appearing beside your Google listing, this icon is known as the favicon. So for example, if let's say this is my website, I will need to log in to the dashboard. And what I'm going to share with you only applies to the latest version of WordPress, which is WordPress 6 version and above. So once you log in to the dashboard, you scroll down to the settings and click on the general. So once you click on the general and you're on the general settings page, you will see this option called site icon. So click on this choose a site icon and select your favicon. For example, this is my favicon. So I'm going to upload it and click set as site icon. So once you see this image, you scroll down and click save changes. Okay. So now you can go back to your website, refresh, and after you have saved this setting, you need to inform Google about the change of this favicon. So you need to log in to your Google Search Console. If you do not have an account, just go to Google for Google Search Console and create an account and verify your website. So once you go to this page, you can just type in your home page URL here and request for re-index. So once you click on that, Google will send its bots to your website to index the latest changes. Then from there, they will reflect your latest favicon on Google search result. Based on my experience, it will take a few weeks, maybe 2 to 3 weeks for your favicon to have it replaced in Google search results. And there are also a few notes that I want to share with you is that if you go to the favicon guideline in Google, they have a few guidelines which I want to share with you, which is your favicon must be a square aspect ratio. So just now I upload the 512 pixel times 512 pixel. So make sure that the format, the aspect ratio is a square. And also your favicon URL must be stable. Do not go and change the source URL of the image. And lastly, Google will not show any favicon if the image is inappropriate or contains some of the category here listed here. So make sure that the category or the icon that you choose is internet friendly. So these are some of the few guidelines you need to take note. So I hope that this video is useful to help you to replace your favicon on Google. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the comments area below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.